How do you turn it off? That's going again! Oh! 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 I just barely had it. I was squeezing with everything I had. High wind velocity, fly with caution. Caution and land in safe place ASAP. Alright, so you pull me in.
It's just all the bing bongs that get you. Oh, low battery. Don't fly here. You're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. Your drone is going to fall in the ocean. I try it that way, yeah?
No, this way.
You want more?
Yeah.
More white?
Yeah, look it. Then I can see your face.
Oh.
Sometimes it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, you want it to be lighter.
Oh, look, that one video was the whole, it didn't cut out once. It disconnects, so it disconnects all the time from my iPhone. And then the thing's just, Zoom birds just flying around out there. I can't see it on the screen.
Are you okay?
My heart rate, it just skyrockets, and I'm like pretty calm under pressure, but it's just like, just if you could just not hear the bing bongs. In that lady's voice. It could be maybe like, hey man, time to like go land your drone, you know, don't worry about it. Instead she's like, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, land, it's returning to the ocean in 10 seconds. And then it's like, oh, that one time I crash landed on the bow and I was like, I didn't know what to do.
How are you feeling now?
I'm all worked up.
Are you hot?
No, I'm not hot. We're sailing, thank you.
I figured it's too pretty again to be anchored.
Yeah,
Isn't it? Look how flat it is. Do you want me to go towards Lahaina?
We'll tack a little bit.
I figured I'd go out more and then we'll tack and then...
We could probably go out more and just...
You're smelling beanie.
Taco Bell.
Oof. Ooh, that is rough today.
I don't know how it smells exactly like Taco Bell bean burritos.
We need to go snorkeling. I really bad.
I gotta get in the water. We can anchor over there and go snorkel that one spot, McKenzie spot.
Okay.
I think we can just furl the force sail in out here a little ways and then just drift in there. Return the boat.
I was just enjoying this.
It's so peaceful. It's flat, calm. It's just crazy.
Is the boat moving, yeah?
That wasn't horrible. Okay, that's how we should have started doing it the first time.
Go ahead, do a trial. Just
do a
so
trial?
you can watch it. Wait, is it on you? Let me see.
Yeah.
Adding mode.
Just
Oh, I'm
so
looking
you,
at.
Just so you can see. Wait, here, give me.
Yeah. Oh, what do I say?
Yeah, I'm just gonna trial you right now. Pretend like, yeah.
I'll be like, I'm Tim, this is Larissa. Welcome to Sailboat Kolea. We're very nervous about getting on camera. We were gonna get monkey suits and monkey faces, like Halloween costumes, and wear those so we wouldn't be embarrassed. Can you see the video face?
Can you tell
This
me?
is Tim and Larissa. Oh,
No, don't go. Why are you so okay? Try again. Ready?
what am I supposed to
Ready? You're gonna introduce.
say? Okay, yes, I got it now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Aloha, y'all. This is Tim and Larissa on Sailboat Kolea. Welcome to our YouTube episode channel. Let's start over.
How about you don't act like you're reading a script, okay?
Aloha, y'all.
No,
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 I'm gonna do
no,
it first.
no.
Let me
Okay.
do it. Just let me. I have to do it.
All right, just do you, boo
Oh,
boo.
you can't tell me. I can't tell you. Aloha, y'all. This. Wait, is my gut in there? Aloha. Aloha, y'all. This. Wait, is my gut in there? Wait, is my gut in there? Is it?
Not anymore. I got no gut in it.
Aloha, y'all. Channel. Aloha, y'all. Welcome to Sailboat Kolea YouTube channel. I'm Tim, and Larissa's behind the camera. This is one of my wind chimes, and this is the first time I've ever done YouTube. And can I say that this drone flying is not easy from a boat. The story behind the Zoom bird, the drone, I call it Zoom bird. We were sailing off of Maui, and somebody had the Zoom bird, the one that Larissa's holding in her hand, and it hit the mast and dropped down to the forepeak. The battery bounced out of it but stayed in the boat. So I had a drone and a battery, so then once I got back on land, I'd ordered a controller and a battery charger. So never flown a drone before. I was nervous, I think, because after I saw the first time I took off on the beach, I was nervous because I realized how cool it was and I didn't want to lose it. Not the money part of it as much as I didn't want to lose it. So I've gotten a lot better now. The first few times were pretty entertaining. Oh God. Yeah, maybe we should do a tour of the boat. Should we do a little quick tour?
Sure.
This is the cockpit. We got coconut trees. I'm working on getting a couple chicken coops. Put a couple laying hens in. I'm almost done with my water maker, and once I'm done with the water maker, we shouldn't have to be able to go to land for a few months. Pretty self-equipped, fully equipped, self-sufficient on here now. Empty shade. We're sailing right now, we're moving 0.7 knots, but the current is going 0.7 knots against us. So we're just sitting still. It's lovely. Oh, look at show the YouTube channel people, right here is a really good picture of the valley. Laniapoko. Lahaina is to the left, a few miles. Island of Lanai is to our left, which would be actually our starboard side. Looking backward. Molokai is behind us on our starboard aft quarter. Go show do a video. Go do a video of the boat. introduce it all.
Can you come with?
Yeah.
You're in front, and
I don't want to talk.
you have to.
You can talk behind the camera.
No.
Okay, let's go back here. I guess we can go ahead and do this and get it out of the way, yeah?
I mean, I guess I can.
You should be able to set the controller down.
I like to see what I'm filming, though, to make sure I'm
Yeah.
on it. Okay.
So I enjoy watering my coconut trees. I've got one coconut that we just found floating that's fresh that I probably is gonna grow. And up top there's one coconut, but these are 2 coconuts. Some buoys that we're collecting trash off the beach. This is the back deck. Use it for everything.
Huh?
There's my dinghy. That's new use, Papa Wilson. It's about the 7th dinghy I've gone through in a year and a half, or 2.5 years now at this point, maybe, with the first Kolea sailboat. Yeah, that capsized on us about a week and a half ago on North Shore Molokai. Lost an E-per, tools, anchor, 5,000 foot of anchor line, brand new Maui Jim sunglasses. I run outriggers and I've got 5 Tiagras, 2 Talica 16s, lots of light tackle stuff. Barbecue, pretty cool barbecue. BNG Zeus 2, which I hate, absolutely hate. I did for Bruno 1971F score on that one with the 1000K transducer. Full on fuel. We've been gone for 12 days on North Shore Molokai, so the boat's kind of a wreck. We just got back from a pretty grueling trip. So the boat's, of course, a complete mess. If you'll come down the gangway, you'll see that we have lunch prepared. Anyway, complete mess, B-berth, 1 head. Karen on Alessandro, she painted that picture of me. Some of my artwork. Pretty proud of this one. And I hang it up in places. There's a TV. Gonna hang there. Gotta put this up top. So we know how fast this Hawaii wind is. It's pretty fast, guys. Here's the bathroom. I've never slept back here. I've never slept back here. All the goodies, TV. We've done a lot of
it's hot
electrical
back
work.
here.
It's hot. Spinnaker, storm sail. This is the timeout room. Oh.
it? Yeah. I gotta take it off that thing. That's the guard zone. Ugh. Battery level is low. Clear panel will confirm. There we go. 10 seconds.